out there?
Yeah, back a bit,
Yeah, just back a little.
yeah.
First XC1100 loaded into a trailer. So the XC1100 is finally loaded into the trailer. Our first initial problem is tie downs on the front here. So if you've got a well trailer like mine, or a box trailer, you're going to have trouble. There's no tie down points inside. So we're going to have to come from here. That one's in the right spot, but we've got really nothing at the back to tie it off. So we're going to have to come up with that. We might have to go over to the top. We're not going very far this time, but I think there needs to be some eyelets or something here, welded here, for further mounting and securing. It'd be all right if you've got a proper equipment trailer for the new one that has the holes placed in here, the new version. But I think future versions might need some additional tie down points up higher here, because not everyone's going to have a plant trailer. A lot of home users are going to be using a box trailer similar to me. So yeah, first XC1100 loaded into a trailer. And now that we've got the XC loaded, just have a quick little look here. The front strap's on okay. They could probably go a little bit more further. These are some of the problems of having a box trailer. Later on I will have some eyelets welded in here and here. But our real concern here is at the rear. There's not a whole lot of options. So we'd be just having a nice slow trip here. Definitely need some sort of eyelets up here for hire or mounted over here. I'm not sure exactly where, but there needs to be some more mounting here at the rear. Some of the joys of living on a hill, you just can never find a flat spot. So wish us luck, eh? Thanks. Here we are, guys. We've made it in one piece. Unloading the XC1100 for the first time. Our beautiful Chinese trailer and our Chinese car has towed our bit of Chinese equipment wonderfully. And there you have it, the first XC1100 to land on a job site. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of sketchy loading and unloading there. We're all novices here, none of us are professional. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to us and helps us keep the YouTube and the channels moving. Thanks, guys.